Best news ever. My Kookabarra friend that I helped, that I rescued the other day from the side of the road, he's good. He's good. I've just had a call from the RSPCA, like, what the? That they wanted to know exactly where I found him to release him, and I hadn't heard anything since that day. And here I am, I've just picked him up and I'm going to do the release myself. Well, amazing, and there he is, boxed up. Wow, God is great. That's what you call. Hola, buddy. Hola, buddy. Okay, buddy. You're okay, buddy. You're okay, buddy. Woo! Yeah! And here I am, day 5 of 30 for the World Peace Vigil I'm undertaking, and very timely, I believe, given my Kookabarra friends call up to be released. I think it's important and the right timing to discuss the value of life. All life matters, and how an example of rescuing a life, which I did recently in nature, bird life, a Kookabarra native Australian bird, which is life, right? Fast forward to now, a week later, and he is rescued. He had a wound on one of his wings, stitched up, was skinny and some lung issues, but they gave him some medicines, he recovered, they stitched him up, and the prime example for me to share with you all is that all life matters, all our nature matters, and an example of us paying attention to each other, to life around us, not just our own, but all those around us, is of utmost importance. And it shows if you take the moment, if you take the time to listen, to hear others, not just yourself, but others in the moment of need. In this instance, it was nature. Tomorrow, it could be a child, it could be an adult, it could be the vulnerable, the elderly, someone you know may not know. But extending a hand is humane. Connected to nature through your own nature of service is vitally important to world peace. World peace, again, is all of us being conscientious of our nature, choosing to help, to provide aid, to provide resources and the lifeline to others who need it. Not just yourself, not just your own, but all life. So particularly in places of conflict, as we're reminded, particularly in places of famine, of need, of warfare, vitally important that we as a society collectively come together and help everybody, particularly if you're in a position to do so, particularly if you're doing better as a country, as a nation. Why don't we all collectively do it better? But it needs to start from yourself, so observe the nature around you and adopt a better nature yourself. All life matters.